Hey YouTube, this is Melanie Ham, and this is a total experiment video. Most of you watch my videos on a phone or on a tablet, and so I want to experiment with doing a portrait mode video. So make sure to leave me a comment down below and check out the description box. Let me know what you think. I'm going to show you in this video how to laminate your fabric. So I recently made this zip pouch, and I laminated my fabric on the inside of the zip pouch so that I could make it a wipeable surface. So I will have all of my zip pouch videos linked in the description box so you can check those out. But I filmed this video and I put it on my IGTV, but I thought, hey, I'm gonna try putting this on YouTube and just see how it goes. So let me know what you think. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna show you how to laminate your fabric. Okay, so on this pouch that I was showing you guys, I laminated the fabric to make it wipeable. Now this one that I used this vinyl fuse by Pellon, and notice that it's machine safe, meaning once you apply it to your fabric, you can sew it. Okay, so that's really important. This is the clear gloss finish. You can see that there. And, you know, all these little, bits here. We're easy iron on, wipeable, UV rated, water repellent, all that good stuff. Okay, so that's one of them. The other one is the matte vinyl fuse. Same kind of thing. It's machine safe, vinyl protection, but this is the matte finish. Same kind of idea, water repellent, and I'm going to show you how to apply this one. It's basically the same thing. You're going to want to follow the manufacturer's instructions, and this is the Pellon version, but there's some other brands out there. This is just the one that I had in my stash of stuff, and so that's why I used it. A couple of things to look at: preheat, dry iron, medium heat setting. This stuff will melt, so that's why we want to use a medium heat. And follow whatever instructions you have, but this is the one that I am using. So let's head over here to my iron, and I'm going to show you how I put on the vinyl. Okay, so I cut a piece of vinyl slightly smaller than my fabric because we don't want it sticking to my ironing board cover and all that good stuff. So whatever piece you want to make, whether it's for a bag or a zip pouch or whatever, okay, make it slightly smaller. And the way that this is made up is it has a paper on the back. So this is actually, okay, so we've got, this is the actual fusible matte vinyl, and then this is the paper. So what we'll do is we're gonna put the sticky side on to the right side of our fabric. Very forgiving, but don't throw away your paper because we're going to use that. All right, so now take your paper and I'm going to use the paper kind of as my pressing cloth. And when you put it down on here, move it around. Don't leave it in one spot too much. It doesn't take a lot to fuse this stuff onto your fabric. So kind of move it around. And if you want to use a pressing cloth instead, you totally can. and stay on your paper so that you don't melt your fusible, following all of the manufacturer's instructions. Okay, once I have it fused to the front, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to iron the back just to make sure it's nice and secure. Now, there we go. This is the matte finish. So again, it is water resistant, wipeable, great for bags, lunch bags, aprons, that sort of thing. But you can tell the difference. This is the matte versus the glossy. So you can see the light kind of reflecting on both. Very similar, but those are the two that I like to use.